Job is so important. Mahsa.
Jen Keith, so very important. Good evening to both of you. The insurance commissioner is responsible for approving or denying rate hikes. Now, this position has been vacant since December, and it's considered one of the hardest jobs in the state. It's day one on the job. Michael Jaworski is now serving as Florida's interim insurance commissioner. Soon, he's expected to get final approval from the Financial Services Commission. Jaworski will be in charge of regulating insurers at a time when so many have failed or left the state. Tonight, mixed reactions to Governor DeSantis' appointment. Jaworski is no stranger to the Office of Insurance Regulation. For nearly 5 years, he's served as chief of staff to Florida's former insurance commissioner, David Altmaier. In December, Altmaier stepped down the day after lawmakers approved sweeping changes to the property insurance market in a special session. State Rep. Hillary Cassell is a freshman in the House. As an attorney, she spent years representing homeowners suing their insurance companies.
And I have concerns with whether or not he's going to be able to an independent review of really what's wrong. You know, there's an extensive amount of data that is collected by OIR that really hasn't been reviewed, nor has it been provided.
Your thoughts on the pick?
I think a national search is a mistake. I think we needed to pick someone in Florida that understands the insurance woes that we've had in Florida.
Hillsborough Commissioner Michael Owen says his own rates have gone up $300, but he thinks with this pick, Florida is now headed in the right direction.
Talk about some of the things that homeowners can do, like rather than get crown molding, maybe you need to pay for a new roof that will help your policy out. So we need to do more workshops. We need to talk about resiliency and mitigation and just discuss some things that we can do to drive down those costs in insurance.
And Hillsborough County Commissioner Michael Owen is encouraging homeowners, as you just heard, to learn about improvements they can make to bring down rates. Of course, that's going to cost you money as well. Now, the lawmaker you heard from today, also the organization that represents roofers and the agency in charge of rating insurance companies in Florida, Demotech, they all tell me that they are willing to work with the governor's pick to tackle what is just such a huge crisis that they just can't seem to solve.
And they keep making some changes, but we keep hearing it's going to take some time before we actually see rates come down, if they come down at all. How much longer do we have to wait?
Well, you know as well as I do, they always say it takes 18 to 24 months to see the impact of reforms to actually bring down rates. But beyond that, some lawmakers, including the one you heard from today, say excessive litigation is not the only problem. I'm told it's also reinsurance. They say that more needs to be done to help insurance companies buy their own insurance. And we know that some reforms have been made with that.